Taiwan's government will donate $200,000 to Turkey after a large earthquake in the country killed scores of people. The Magnitude-7.9 tremor hit the south of Turkey early on Monday morning. Shaking was felt in neighboring Syria and as far away as Israel. Turkish officials said the earthquake caused multiple buildings to collapse. Aftershocks have continued to rock the area, including one with a magnitude of 6.7. The United States Geological Survey, which is monitoring the earthquake, said it likely caused significant casualties. Turkey's government says it is deploying rescue units across the country in response.
Şu anda bütün valilerimiz görevlerinin başında, jandarma, emniyet, Türk Silahlı Kuvvetleri, AFAD ekiplerimiz, Kızılay ekiplerimiz ve şu anda Türkiye'nin birçok noktasından arama kurtarma ekipleri ilgili bölgelere